Hey everyone, and welcome back to Intruder Security. Few days back, Offensive Security has released the latest and the biggest version of Kali Linux 2023.4. Today, we're going to be diving deep into the changes made in the latest release of Kali Linux. This release is packed with exciting new features and enhancements, making it an essential upgrade for any cybersecurity professional or enthusiast. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's start with one of the biggest changes in this release, the Cloud ARM64 marketplaces. If you have used cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure and Amazon AWS, the Kali Linux OS was not present on these platforms. But now the Kali Linux is available on ARM64 architecture for Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure marketplaces. This means you can now deploy Kali Linux instances in the cloud with greater flexibility and choice. ARM64 instances offer several advantages, including improved performance and a better price-to-performance ratio. The second feature they have released is the Vagrant Hyper-V support. In the world of virtualization, Kali Linux now officially supports Vagrant Hyper-V. This means you can easily provision, manage, and get support for Kali Linux virtual machines using Vagrant. For those who don't know what Vagrant is a popular tool for creating and managing virtual environments. Another big feature for cybersecurity enthusiasts is the Raspberry Pi 5. Kali Linux is now available for the Raspberry Pi 5, expanding its reach to this powerful and versatile single-board computer. The new image includes a host of new features and tools, making it an ideal platform for penetration testing and security research on the Raspberry Pi platform. The next feature they have brought is update to GNOME 45. GNOME is one of my own favorite desktop environment, and the updates to GNOME 45 are more willing and amazing. You would love to see the new features of GNOME 45. This latest GNOME release brings a range of enhancements, including full-height sidebars in many updated apps, significantly improved search speed in the Nautilus file manager, and updated color schemes for GNOME text editor. And then the infrastructure of Kali Linux. Behind the scenes, a lot of work has been done to enhance the Kali Linux infrastructure. One significant change is the migration of the Mirror Redirector to MirrorBits, a modern and more reliable piece of software. This will further improve the performance and reliability of Kali Linux downloads. And at last, the new tools. Kali Linux 2023.4 is packed with a plethora of new tools to empower your security endeavors. New tools for specific domains. Kali Linux 2023.4 includes several new tools for post-exploitation DNS enumeration, such as DNS Recon, Uncover, and DNS Map. These tools can be used to identify potential vulnerabilities in a target network and to gather information that can be used for further attacks. The release also introduces new tools for cloud security, IoT security, and incident response. These tools can help organizations to improve their overall security posture and to protect themselves from a wide range of threats. Kali Linux 2023.4 is a major release that brings a wealth of new features and enhancements, making it an essential upgrade for any security professional or enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or a curious beginner, Kali Linux 2023.4 provides a powerful and versatile platform for exploring the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade to Kali Linux 2023.4 today and unleash the power of this cutting-edge security distribution. A new video on how to install Kali Linux 2023.4 on VirtualBox is coming soon. And don't forget to subscribe to Intruder Security for more in-depth tutorials and walkthroughs on Kali Linux.